Basic info. Model number. Galaxy C10 Pro. Status. Rumored. Release date. Not announced yet. Colors. Rose gold, black, gold. Body material. Metal. Water and dust proof. No. SIM type. Dual SIM. Technology. GSM, HSPA, LTE. OS. Android 7.1.1, Nougat. Processing. Processor. Octa-core. Chipset. Qualcomm MSM8956 Plus Snapdragon 660. GPU. Adreno 512. Memory. RAM. 6 GB. Storage. 64 GB. Card slot. Micro SD, up to 256 GB. Display. Size. 6 inches. Type. Super Amoled capacitive touch screen, 16 colors. Resolution. 1080 by 1920 pixels. PPI. 367 ppi pixel density. Multi-touch. Yes. Protection. Gorilla Glass 4. Camera. Primary. Dual 13 megapixels, face detection autofocus. Video. 2160p at 30 fps. Flash. Dual LED, dual tone, flash. Features. Geo-tagging, touch focus, face detection, panorama, HDR. Secondary. 16 megapixels. Battery. Battery type. Li-ion. Capacity. 3500 mAh. Removable. Non-removable. Fast charging. Yes. Wireless charger. No. Network. 2G network. GSM 850, 900, 1800, 1900, SIM1 and SIM2. 3G network. HSDP 850, 900, 1900, 2100. 4G network. LTE. Speed. HSB 42.25.76 Mbps. LTE A2Ka, Cat6 350 Mbps. GPRS. Yes. EDGE. Yes. Connectivity. WLAN. Wi-Fi 802.11a/b/g/NAC, dual band, Wi-Fi Direct, hotspot. Bluetooth. 5.0, 82dp, LA. USB. Type-C 1.0 reversible connector. GPS. Yes, with a GPS, GLONASS. NFC. Yes. Audio jack. 3.5mm jack. Others. Sensors. Fingerprint, accelerometer, gyro, proximity, compass, barometer. Radio. To be confirmed.
Subscribe my channel for more videos.